Everything has an opportunity cost. Thinking tools are something everyone should have plenty of and know how to use. There are many different thinking tools that you can use to approach many different obstacles in life. And today I want to tell y'all about a thinking tool called opportunity cost. Once you understand how to use this thinking tool, you should be able to make decisions that are best for any situation that you're in. So look, you got to understand that whenever you choose to do anything with your time or money, you're giving up many other things, many other opportunities that time or money could have been used on. So whenever you make a decision about anything, let's say you come to a fork in the road and you can choose either path X, Y, or Z. If you choose path X, then the opportunity cost is any results, any opportunities you would have had by taking path Y or Z. And this is all going to make more sense once I give y'all these examples. So let's say you spend 6 hours binge watching a new series on Netflix. The opportunity cost could be the knowledge you could have gained by using that time to watch informative videos like this one instead. Or the opportunity cost could be the improvement to your health you could have gotten by getting up and being active for those 6 hours instead. So I'm wanting y'all to understand that spending 6 hours watching Netflix didn't just cost you your valuable, irreplaceable, precious time. It also cost you all the other opportunities you could have used that time for. Now let me give you another example with money. Let's say you have $1,000 and you decide to go put that $1,000 into a savings account that earns you 0.06% a year. At the end of the year, you would have $1,000.60. The opportunity cost of that decision is all the other results you could have gotten with that exact same money. You could have gotten a 3% return on your money if you would have put it in the stock market. Then at the end of the year, you would have $1,030 instead of $1,000.60. Or you could have bought some crypto and possibly have gotten a 200% return on that money. Then you would have a whole $3,000 instead of just $1,000.60 or $1,030. So putting that money in a savings account cost you all the other results you could have gotten using that exact same money. That is why it's so important to analyze your opportunity cost instead of just impulsively making decisions. It could be the difference in making an extra 60 cents or a whole extra $2,000. And opportunity cost can really span across all areas of your life. Let's say you had a shot with person A, B, C, and D, and you eventually choose and marry person A. The opportunity cost of that is the experiences and the life you're now never going to have or get the experience with person B, C, or D. Let's say you get a job offer from company A, B, and C, and you choose to go with company C. The opportunity cost is the benefits and results you would have gotten for going with company A or B. Now let me point out, not everybody values all opportunities the same. Let's go back to my first example of the person binge watching Netflix. Let's say that person just got done working an 80-hour week. The most valuable opportunity for that person may have been to just kick back, relax, and watch a brand new show versus learning something new or getting up and being active. And back to the money example, the best opportunity for that person may have been the savings account if they felt like putting their money in a stock market or in crypto was just too risky. The idea is that there is always a decision, there is always a choice to make. And with every choice, every decision, it costs you opportunities or results you could have gotten by choosing or making a different decision. You want to be aware of and know how to analyze your other options so that you can choose and make decisions that are going to benefit whatever it is you value the most. Now, at the same time, you don't want to go crazy with it and analyze every little decision you possibly can. Even thinking about opportunity cost has its opportunity cost, right? But maybe next time when you're about to impulsively spend $50 or $100, think about the opportunities that you're giving up and ask yourself if what you're about to spend that money on is really the most valuable opportunity. So yeah, man, I just wanted to give y'all another thinking tool to add to your mental toolbox. Make sure y'all are subscribed to the channel because I'm going to be bringing y'all many more thinking tools and I really don't want y'all to miss them. Hey, and let me know in the comments below if analyzing opportunity costs could have helped you make a better decision in the past. I know I wish I would have known about this concept way earlier. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Honestly, money just bought a pound of the